Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of purchases on Gmail. To know how to fix or how to solve purchases problem on Gmail app, you click on settings. Here in this page you can click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this page you can search about Gmail and you can enter here. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that you'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can delete your account. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video and thank you for watching.